In case you haven't heard already, Falaya has launched a brand new mobile app that is seriously awesome, and I just wanted to take a second to make a video explaining a few of the cool features that we built into this app to make your home selling experience more efficient and transparent. If you've already sold a home with us before, a lot of this is going to sound familiar. The big difference here is that you can now keep up with your listing from anywhere at any time, all from your phone. One of my favorite tools that we've brought to this app is Falaya Tasks. From your mobile device, you can stay up to date on all the tasks that need to be completed to get from listed to sold. We even update these tasks throughout the entire listing if anything comes up. Another great tool is Falaya Leads, and we all know how important it is to follow up with potential buyers and gain feedback on your listing. Now, you'll be notified anytime someone takes action with your listing, and these leads, along with their contact information, will be available in the app so you can quickly get in touch with them directly. The last tool I'll mention in this video is Falaya Offers. When it comes to offers, time is of the essence. That's why our app automatically notifies you when an offer is received on your listing. When viewing the offer, you'll be presented with an easy-to-read offer summary with 3 distinct buttons to fully accept, reject, or counter any offer without having to leave the app. In fact, our tech is so efficient that you can respond to the offer within minutes of the buyer sending it to you. This is only a few of the amazing features of this revolutionary mobile app from Falaya. Make sure to download on the Apple or Android App Store today to check it out for yourself.